At ADEGIS, service means more than just fixing a failure. It's about predictability, full-service support, and real savings. From the very first contact to a fully restored device back on your production line. You know the cost before the repair even starts. Our service prices are available online, so you can check costs and plan your budget without a lengthy quoting process. That's cost transparency. No surprises, just full budget control. We service electronics, servo motors, and drives from multiple manufacturers. Every device undergoes thorough diagnostics and a detailed technical check. Thorough inspection, professional biological and ultrasonic cleaning, preventive replacement of components, repair of damaged components, and rigorous testing in conditions that simulate real production environments. That's how we ensure your equipment returns not just functional, but ready for thousands more hours of reliable operation, backed by a 2-year warranty, regardless of the repair scope. We also stock parts in-house. We sell devices and buy back the ones you no longer need. That's our advantage. Full service in one place, fewer intermediaries, and minimized downtime. You save because repair costs are often just a fraction of the price of a new part. You extend equipment life and avoid unplanned investments, and you act responsibly. Fewer discarded components mean less waste and a real contribution to environmental protection. ADEGIS is a partner who sees the bigger picture for your business. Smarter repairs, greater confidence. With ADEGIS,